Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play dragons on the TFT game or the Teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you can do is just go and open your Teamfight tactics game or TFT on your PC if you have it already downloaded, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. If you don't even have the right client downloaded, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're using. Make sure to type here download League of Legends, download right client, download TFT. All of them will take you into one download link, and that will download the right client for you, and from there you'll be able to download their games. Once you downloaded the right client, of course, you will have to go and install it, then open it up. Once it's opened, of course, you can open it like that or through your desktop. And once it's opened, you will find yourself with a home screen or a main screen like this. Here you will normally find the games that you already installed into this PC or your PC. For me, I have those games installed. If you have the TFT, just go and open it up. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit until this all games and make sure to go into the Teamfight Tactics. And from here, you'll be able to install this through the League of Legends if you're using a PC, through the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or through the Google Play if you're using an Android. Once it's downloaded, you will have to open it up, and of course, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into one. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create an account. Of course, through your browser, you'll not be able to create an account here. And of course, once you're in the game, you'll have to go and find the game for yourself, so you can play the dragons that you want. So the first thing that you would like to find is you'll find yourself here in a game like this. And of course, if you want to play dragons, you'll just have to go and find the dragons here in the game. So of course, you can keep refreshing. And once you find your dragon, you can just go and buy it and get it into the game. And then you will be able to play your dragons. Of course. So of course, if you didn't find the dragons, that means the dragons are not in this patch. You'll have to go and check into the League of Legends website if they are going to add any dragons in the next patch, or even if there's a dragons in the previous patch, if there's even a possibility that you can play them. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.